Insurance lead generation strategies, tips for life and auto insurance. AnyBiz. Welcome to AnyBiz blog. Today, we'll dive into effective techniques for generating leads in life and auto insurance, helping brokers connect with quality prospects and improve sales. The high competition in auto insurance, a mandatory service in most states, makes lead generation essential. With demand driven by legal requirements, providers must differentiate themselves to attract leads in a crowded market. Auto insurance is shaped by demographic shifts, vehicle technology, regulatory changes, and economic conditions. Recognizing these factors helps tailor lead generation strategies to align with market and consumer needs. To target auto insurance customers effectively, combine demographic, behavioral, and interest-based targeting to reach those likely to need coverage. Lookalike audiences expand reach to similar profiles, while partnerships with dealerships and repair shops connect with actively engaged car owners. For effective lead generation, combine PPC, social media, SEO, and content marketing to reach and engage customers. Email campaigns, comparison sites, chatbots, and traditional media like billboards enhance visibility and conversion potential. This multi-channel strategy drives quality leads efficiently. To generate life insurance leads effectively, combine digital strategies like content marketing, webinars, and social media with traditional methods like referrals, partnerships, and community engagement. Content that educates, webinars that engage, and transparency build trust, while partnerships and community involvement create valuable connections. Providing value at every interaction fosters respect, credibility, and high-quality leads. Insurance brokers can optimize lead generation by combining CRM tools, partnerships, and targeted marketing. CRM systems streamline follow-ups and automate tasks, while partnerships with related professionals, like real estate agents, bring valuable referrals. Focused marketing and a strong online presence on platforms like LinkedIn enhance visibility and credibility. Together, these strategies create a sustainable, effective lead pipeline for lasting business growth. AnyBiz is an exceptional AI-driven tool for insurance lead generation, catering to both auto and life insurance sectors. It automates the entire process, from identifying potential clients to nurturing relationships and scheduling meetings, allowing insurance providers to focus on closing deals rather than pursuing leads. AnyBiz uses AI to identify and engage prospects for auto and life insurance with targeted, multi-channel outreach, boosting conversions through personalized, trust-building content. AnyBiz's 24/7 AI sales agents, real-time email monitoring, and CRM integration streamline lead generation for insurance providers, ensuring outreach reaches inboxes and maximizing efficiency and ROI. This AI-powered platform enhances lead generation for both auto and life insurance markets, bringing qualified prospects directly to providers. Try AnyBiz with a free 7-day trial to transform your lead generation. Thanks for joining us. Explore anybiz.io and make sure to like and subscribe for the latest updates and tips on optimizing your email outreach.